I would like to welcome you to today's webinar about optimizing additive manufacturing technologies using infrared thermography. We will get a brief introduction into InfraTec and into the camera range, which is dedicated to using infrared thermography in additive manufacturing, especially additive manufacturing of metals. We have a guest speaker, Dr. Engineer Florian Eibel from Econity, and he will show you live results from using the cameras in the laser powder bed fusion processes. So what can they find out using our cameras